atmosphere. You don't even look like you're going to college today. What's
Can't you
going
know
on?
it's Valentine?
It's
I'm
Valentine.
not going to college today.
Yo, girl,
Serious, I'm not going. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to come with a present.
you're joking, right?
Serious.
Joking.
Serious.
Really?
Really?
Oh, God. Can I please just wait for that?
Come in, sweetheart. Come.
So tell me, what's up, girl? When is he going to bring for you?
I don't know. Of course, it's a surprise. So I don't know what he's going to bring.
Really?
Yes, maybe an iPhone or whatever. I don't know.
Really?
Serious.
Wow. And I tell you, girl, you know, it's been about 6 months now, broken up with my boyfriend now. So I'm just focusing on my schoolwork. So I'll forget about my Valentine. I think that's the reason why I forgot about my Valentine. But all the same, I'm going to wait for you, girl, and see what it's going to bring.
Yes, one day you'll be lucky. Don't have to be lucky as me.
Yeah. Cut up the crap, but I want to see what he's going to bring for you. I want to see your boyfriend. I want to see his kind of taste, you see.
So I'm going to see you. Wait, my girl. Wait.
Really?
Maybe he's going to bring me an iPhone or a car for surprise.
Really? I bet it's going to bring you something big and huge, girl.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. So tell me,
You
what
know
are
me.
you starting, right?
Me, it's accounts. I'm just reversing accounts right
Oh,
now.
really? Have you
Serious?
finished it up?
No. You
You
see,
haven't?
I've been busy looking pictures of my boyfriend and saying,
Really? Oh, you and your boyfriend, yeah? You
You
making
know.
you crazy. I see that.
mad these days.
Really?
Hello? Okay, I'm coming right now. How was the day, babe? Missing you big time. I hope you give me something.
Thank you.
Sorry. What? A cup? Of all the presents, you bring me a cup. I was expecting an iPhone or something else, but you bring me a cup. A cup? You're not serious.
Let me see. Wow. But the cup is nice.
Nice,
Wow. Yeah, I like it. Wow. But why is she refusing it? I like the color, I like the taste, everything about it. I just like it. Wow. Can I just use it?
Yeah, you can use it.
Wow, thank
You
you.
can take.
Wow, thank you. Whoa, I'm going to use it. Wow, I'm going to use it first thing when I go home.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going.
Yeah, I'm gonna call you later.
Okay, I'm not going also. I'm going also. I need to get on also.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me just give you that. Yeah, bye. I'm not going.
Bye-bye.
closed off from love. I didn't need the pain. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen.
What? What is the meaning of this? I mean, what is the meaning of this? I don't like it at all. Last minute with my friend, and this minute you're with this woman. I don't like.
So why your love went away? I just can't seem to